Oh, oh man, oh man, let's check it out. Mountains. अस्सलामुअलैकुम एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल रोमिंग व्लॉग्स। आज मैं जा रहा हूँ करगिल के लिए और अभी मैं पहुँच चुका हूँ सोनमर्ग। इट्स गोइंग टू बी इन सम एक्सट्रीम रेनफॉल। मैं अभी पहुँच चुका हूँ बर्जमान में। अभी दोपहर के 3 बज रहे, तो आई होप कि मैं जोजिला क्रॉस कर पाऊँ। अभी मैं रुका हूँ जोजिला पास पर और धुंध बहुत ज़्यादा है और कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। ये देखिए पूरा धुंध पड़ा हुआ है, विजिबिलिटी बहुत कम है। Here I have reached जोजिला पास 0 point। मौसम यू कैन चेक बहुत ख़राब है। लेट मी शेयर अ ब्यूटीफुल व्यू विद यू। Welcome to the channel. Today I'm heading over to Kargil. As all of you people know that weather has been inclement since few weeks. In spite of it, I made a plan to head over to Kargil, do some ride thing. It's been raining since today morning, and though I started my ride very late, and it's been raining since then. I took a very strong bashing rain bashing throughout the day, and as of now it's 5 o'clock in the evening, and thanks to Allah that it has stopped raining, and the entire journey has been adventurous with no troubles at all, thanks to Almighty Allah. And my health hasn't been good for, since a week. I have had cold, fever and whatnot. But though I recovered a bit, but then I thought no, I must ride. It was raining quite heavily throughout the day. I was constrained not to record through my action cam. Since I'm using the media mod, there was every possibility that it might not work, so I could not take that risk. I could not shoot during daytime due to heavy rains, and now that it has stopped raining, I thought why not share these views with you. At this point of time, it's 5:08 and probably it's going to take me around 2-3 hours to reach out to Kargil. Haven't had anything except for the tea break at the Hotel Bazman. There Mr. Mohsin was very kind enough. It's too cold right now, trust me, it's too cold at this point of time. Actually I had a few friends, we had planned to go to Kargil or maybe Zanskar, but then due to the bad weather, they said like they won't be coming and that they might come tomorrow. So I said okay, you come tomorrow, but I cannot wait till tomorrow. So I left for Kargil in this in this heavy rain, because it's a different experience riding through the rain and overcoming the hardships, the struggle. It is what makes the ride most memorable. You learn so much through these difficult rides. Every ride has been a learning experience for me. The roads, they're not good from here. I don't want any trouble. Only this stretch is kind of murky, and thereafter it's going to be tarmac. I kind of took a challenge of doing this solo, because I had that feeling for today that I don't want to be home, as I've been riding solo for quite long. It's always welcoming, pleasant experience to ride in this kind of weather, overcoming the challenges. And my other colleagues, I don't know, maybe they might turn up tomorrow or not. As far as I know, I don't believe that they're coming. I like to ride it in a free zone. Now we are approaching Matain. Nice stretch. It's really great experience. The temperatures are quite refreshing, and there's no one to trouble you. Just enjoy your ride, man. Riding at peace now. Enjoying every bit of it. That's Matain. I'll have to mark my entries here, so I hope it'll be real quick. एंट्रीज हो गई है। चले जी आगे का ना सफ़र शुरू करते। डिस्कवर द हिमालयन ब्राउन बेयर। कहाँ मिलेगा ये? Where to find one? It's just 5:22 and I have left Matain, heading towards Kargil now. Nice cloudy view in front of me. That's the lovely stretch. Everyone, you know, pushes here, but I won't. Oh man. Alhamdulillah, there's no rain now. I'm so happy. I think I'm going to enjoy it now, because since morning it was kind of, you know, pain. But so it's around 20 kilometers to Dras now, and I'm hopeful that I'll do good. Yeah, what a lovely ride. It's just 5:30 now, and it might turn dark, I don't believe, in an hour, or maybe sooner than that. Oh, I passed from this road through number of times, but still I haven't, you know, made a halt here. It's too good. This part of this part of road, I really enjoy riding it. I don't need to fill up right now because I'm still on a half tank, so no need to fill up. Let's keep on riding and keep on capturing these amazing views. Breathtaking views. Amazing, man. Roads are like next level here. Oh man, let's check it out. Mountains and the water flowing. Close the air vents on my helmet, the top air vents, and I believe that the hissing and the rumbling sound is contained now. Now I'm feeling like I'm riding. Else since morning it was like I was struggling. द्रास के लिए 10 किलोमीटर्स है। ये हमारा मोटरसाइकिल, ये व्यू आगे कैप्चर करने के लिए ना मैं यहाँ पर रुका हुआ था। बस अब द्रास की ओर जाएंगे। 10 किलोमीटर का ही डिस्टेंस है, और उसके बाद मे बी 50 किलोमीटर्स टू करगिल, द सेकेंड कोल्डेस्ट इनहैबिटेड प्लेस इन द वर्ल्ड। एंड क्या करे भाई, 6 बज गए। ये कुछ ले यहाँ पर, आई डोंट बिलीव कि यहाँ पर कुछ अभी खाएंगे, क्योंकि विजिबिलिटी अच्छी है। आई बिलीव आई शुड नो go get going. JK Bank Dras. It's better to skip my meal. I don't want to, you know, stay here, you know, have some food here, because it's about to get dark. So let's keep going. Just now ना द्रास मैंने एग्जिट कर लिया. I could have stayed in Dras also. यहाँ पर भी वो वाइब नहीं आया. I have ample time left. Why to waste time? Currently average area 58.1. Okay, 42. Kargil just 54 now. So 54 को मुझे लगता है 1 घंटा लगना है. Yes, I believe. By 7:30 I should be Kargil if I, you know, go non-stop. Still 50 kilometers left for Kargil, and it's quite chilly right now. Yes, it is. Beauty. chasing those trucks. Come on, man. Get away from me. Beautiful landscape. Oh, oh, oh. You can see that the water sort of thing. There's a waterfall. I can see to it. Yeah, looks majestic. That's so beautiful. Beauty. Just love to lean it here. Come on. Anybody from there? No. Let's kill it. Beautiful. Next, that's just 29 kilometers to Kargil now. Beautiful. Beautiful roads, man. Beauty. Now that's Kharbu. 4 किलोमीटर है खरबू के लिए. Oh, that's oh man. That's an amazing ride. Oh. Oh no. Almost 30 kilometers left for Kargil. Not feeling cold now. No, temperature has improved. And 4 kilometers to Kaksar. And what a view like in front of me. This particular motorcycle, it's really amazing to ride it. I'm riding it for the first time here because I've only been up to Kargil on this motorcycle. This is the first time that I'm riding this motorcycle beyond Dross. I'm so much thrilled the way it is taking those corners. I'm liking it. The experience of this motorcycle is on to the next level. I cannot imagine how easy this motorcycle is. This is so engaging. I'm liking it. I like it. It's so flickable. It just takes those corners with a blink of an eye. Razor sharp handling. And wow. I love this stretch. Beautiful. This is so scary. Great one. almost reached, and we can check that golden hour, the sunshine touching those peaks. Wow, looks absolutely magic. Looks magic. Beautiful. Wow. Oh. Have to fuel up somewhere. होटल वगैरह मैंने यहीं पर कर लिया एंड एंट्रीज भी कर ली और fill up first and reached Kargil and bus abhi na I'll go to a place. I've already booked a room, so शाम के बज चुके हैं 7:30 और फाइनली मैं होटल रूम पे पहुंच गया हूँ। सुबह से तो कुछ खाया नहीं है, बस दोपहर में चाय पी थी। ये रहा व्यू अभी मार्केट का, बहुत ही बजट फ्रेंडली रूम है एंड दिस इज़ गुड। चले पहले चलते हैं, कुछ खा पी लेते हैं एंड फिर आपके साथ में वापस मिलते हैं। इज द प्लेस, अभी चलते हैं नीचे। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जनाब, ठीक पड़ा? क्या मिल विंकस?
क्या किया?
लाइटी क्या अगर ऐसा सब्जी मुझ क्या है?
कढ़ाई पनीर है, पनीर बटर मसाला है।
So it's just 8:22 and it's been a tiring journey for the whole day. Currently it's 8:30 and I'm here at a local restaurant. I just have my food. मन तो नहीं है but let's see. That's rajma and rotis and I'll see what else. This is fresh like dahi. दाल पहले ट्राई करते हैं। How is it? बिस्मिल्लाह। डिनर हो गया और अब जाएंगे मार्केट। भाई क्या भूख लगी थी, सुबह से कुछ भी नहीं खाया था। कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलेगा ही। Just walking down the street. I'm here in the market. चलिए कुछ चीज़ें मुझे लानी थी and first and foremost मुझे वो पैच लाने, पेन रिलीवर पैच लाने। मेरे नेक में ना थोड़ा सा दर्द मुझे लग रहा है, तो आई बिलीव कुछ पैच ला के ना थोड़ा सा पेन रिलीव हो जाएगा। आई थिंक आगे मिलेगा। लुकिंग फॉर अ मेडिसिन स्टोर। केमिस्ट शॉप एक थी बट वो बंद हो चुकी है। दैट्स द मेन करगिल मार्केट। नीड टू फाइंड ए मेडिकल स्टोर। आई थिंक आई फाउंड वन। तो फाइनली ना मुझे पैच मिल गए, पेन रिलीफ पैच। तो ये काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होता है जब भी आप ट्रैवल करते हैं। बाजू, रिस्ट, लाइक इट एक्स लाइक एनीथिंग, यू कैन यूज देम। वांट सम फ्रूट, लेट मी सी इफ आई कैन गेट समथिंग अच्छा वाला दें, थोड़ा सा टेस्ट कराना बेटा। कितना हो गया बेटा? Okay, बेटा। Got some fruits. Thank you. Around 1 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस था जो मुझे चलना पड़ा। वह कारगिल भी है।
और कौन है साथ में?
अकेले हूँ।
कितने बजे निकले घर से?
मैं निकला 1 बजे। क्या हाल
was?
Tad logun schien, san margi herken pat.
Wallah.
Natke.